Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. So today's video I will be using this hemp seed oil on my hair. So I will be using it as a pre-poo treatment. This is organic hemp seed oil that I got from Amazon. So it's very organic, guys. As you can see, it's very pure and organic, which is going to be really good for the hair. So I'm going to be just using like a 3.5 spoons. Then I will add my lavender. Guys, this is lemongrass. So I'll be adding 10 drops of lemongrass oil to this. So lemongrass is also good to boost our hair growth. So I'll be adding just 10 drops of lemongrass. The next thing is rosemary. So I'll be adding 10 drops of rosemary oil as well. Rosemary is also good for our hair growth, like, and also care for our scalp. So the next thing I will be adding peppermint oil that can help to stimulate our scalp. Also I will be adding treetea oil that also help with bacteria on our scalp and also keep our scalp healthy. So that is the essential oil that I will be using with this hemp seed oil. So now after adding everything, I'm just going to mix everything so that everything can mix well and combine well together with the hemp seed oil. So guys, to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you guys a lot. You are welcome. So if you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. If you are new here for the first time and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. So this is how our hemp seed and the other oil that I have to eat it. This is how they are looking like now. So this oil is so organic. If you feel it, you know that it's a very pure organic hemp seed oil. So now I'm just going to transfer it inside my empty container so that it will be easy for me to use it on my hair. So guys, here we have our hemp seed oil and other oil that I add to it. So it's time for me to use this on my hair. So this product is really good for hair growth. So guys, this is the current stage of my hair. I just pack it back just like so, just to kind of stretch out my hair a little bit. So now I'm just going to take off the rubber band, then I will just use this product on my hair because it's really good to promote hair growth. So this hemp seed oil is good to like preventing too much water for being absorbed by the hair. So it prevents too much water to absorb into our hair. So number 2 is that it helps to prevent the penetration of certain substance into our follicle. So it helps to prevent some certain substance that is not good for our follicle. So the number 3 is that it help it prevents hair breakage and also good for it prevents hair breakage, like when your hair is breaking and you use this, is going to kind of reduce breakage. So this hemp seed is really good for our hair, and it's really good for hair growth. Like if you really want to kind of grow your hair, you should try to use hemp seed oil for your hair, because it's going to help you to really grow out your hair very well. So other benefits of hemp seed is that it also help to include eliminating bacteria and prevent the scalp with vital nutrients. So it also help to eliminate bacteria from our scalp, and also providing the scalp with vital nutrient that the scalp needs to promote hair growth. So hemp seed oil is very beneficial for our health. That is why you can see any hair grease that have hemp seed, either hemp seed in it, is really good for hair growth. That is why, because the hemp seed itself is a very good product for our hair growth. So hemp seed is a fantastic moisturizer as well. So it's a very good moisturizer that can moisturize our hair as well. So everyone can benefit from this, whether any type of hair that you have, you can use hemp seed oil for your hair, because it's very good. They have a very good property that like omega-3 and omega-6, which is really good for hair growth. Like can help draw moisture to the hair and film it as a sealing. It can also seal in moisture and keep the moisture inside your hair without the moisture going out of your hair. So this is a very powerful oil that you should look out for if you really want to grow your hair. So guys, so if you have tried any product like hair grease that have hemp seed in them and you like it, then you should really go for the oil itself, okay, because it's really good. Look for the organic one that you know all the nutrients, all the benefit are still intact, then you will get all the benefit that you are looking for. So I just coat my hair with this product very well. You can use it and just leave it on your hair without washing it out on your hair, and also on your scalp without washing it out. So I'm using it as a pre-pore treatment here. So I will be washing my hair the next day, because I'll be leaving this on overnight to kind of make it so that I can reap all the benefits that this wonderful oil can provide. So if you don't know where to get your hemp seed oil, just look at on Amazon. You can get your hemp seed oil there in a very affordable price. So this is how I will be using it on my hair. So if you want to see me mix this with hair grease just that the way we do, So just subscribe because I use hair grease a lot on my hair, and I also make hair grease. So if you want to see that, just subscribe. And then we also make DIY oil here. We also make hair cream like leave-in conditioner and the moisturizer. So we also make that here. So if you find all those one interested, just subscribe and stay tuned to this channel. So now I'm just trying to massage it into kind of create that blood flow to help to stimulate the scalp and also stimulate the blood flow that will contribute to hair growth. So now I'm just going to do this part of my hair off camera, then when I am done I will be back. So I'm almost done, guys, so I just decided to come and show you guys this part of my hair. See, this is how shiny my hair is now. The product is really good. Like when you put it on your hair, it just soak into your hair and just remain there just to keep your hair shiny and get all the whole benefit that you are looking for. So if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. Just in case you have not been using hemp seed oil on your hair, just go and look for it, guys. You will not regret using this oil on your hair because your scalp and your hair are going to benefit from this wonderful hair growth oil. So now I'm done. I'm just going to cover my hair, and first of all I'm going to use it on my edges as well because we need to care for our edges because they are very important uh, important on our hair also. So then I will use it on my scalp as well. Like I said before, you can use this on your hair as well as your scalp because they are good. The oil is good for both your hair and your scalp. Then after that, I'm just going to massage it into my hair as you can see me doing right here. So if you like I said before, subscribe because we do a lot of things in this channel. So anything that have to do with hair, that is what we are here for. So we are here to help one another to achieve that hair length that you always dream of. So nobody know it all. We are here to help one another. So if you like that, just subscribe, then we can help ourselves. Okay. So now I'm just going to just put my hair together. After massaging it for some time, I'm just going to put it together. Then I will cover my hair with a plastic bag. So guys, I've already covered my hair with the plastic bag, and this my setting cap. Okay. So I'm going to go to bed like this. Then the next day I'm just going to wash my hair with shampoo. So this is going to be the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really do appreciate you. Bye bye.